Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the IFOM exam step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and the topics covered. Next, take a diagnostic test to pinpoint your strengths and areas needing improvement. This initial assessment is crucial for tailoring your study plan effectively. Finally, develop a structured study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. Consistency is key to success. Now, let's talk about effective study methods. Focus on high-yield resources such as comprehensive question banks and trusted review books. Engage in active recall by consistently doing practice questions and using flashcards. Don't just answer questions, deeply understand the explanations for both correct and incorrect responses. This approach solidifies your knowledge and helps you learn from mistakes. To optimize your preparation, integrate spaced repetition into your routine. This technique significantly boosts long-term memory retention. Regularly take timed practice tests under simulated exam conditions to build stamina and manage time effectively. Remember, a deep understanding of concepts is far more valuable than simply memorizing facts. Focus on the why behind the information. As you approach exam day, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get adequate sleep and maintain good nutrition. These are crucial for optimal cognitive function. Trust in the hard work you've put in and practice mindfulness to manage any exam day anxiety. You've prepared diligently, and now it's time to perform. Also, for some great deals, including how to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.